Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss integration by parts. As you can see here, we have two components, integral, antiderivative of x cubed times the quantity log x squared dx. So we are going to start, and once we start, we are going to see that there are two parts, and we are going to use integration by part. And let's get it to the next screen. Okay, so the equation was indefinite integral of x cubed times the quantity natural log of x squared dx. So we have to assume two parts here. Let's take the second quantity in the middle, log of x squared, and we name it u. Okay, and the rest will become a derivative of something, derivative of v, for instance. Okay, so we can say that if u is equal to log of x all squared, we take the derivative of that. We will derivative of the second part is dv is x cubed dx, and now we have to find v and du. So du is 2 times log of x to the power of 1, or log of x, times log of x. The derivative of log of x is 1 over x, so we get 2 over x times log of x dx. That will be du, and since we said dv was equal to x cubed dx, and v is equal to x to the power 4 over 4 plus a constant, of course, for any constant, so we leave it as is. Okay, so we have these values. Now we are going to use the integration part by part formula, meaning that indefinite integral of u dv is equal to uv minus indefinite integral dv du. So we get here uv, which is equal to x to the power 4 over 4, that is v, and u log of x squared. Okay, that will be uv. Now minus the antiderivative the v du, that means x to the power of 4 over 4 times 2 over x times log of x dx. Okay, so we have that, and we can simplify this. We can call all this integral, we can name it, we can call it I, for instance. Okay, so let's call it I. That means I is equal to x to the power 4 over 4 times log of x all squared minus, let's do some simplification here, so it's 1/2 of x cubed times log of x dx. If you notice here, the log of x is the complicated part, so we have to make sure that this is a finite value, that we can take the derivative of that. If not got the antiderivative, will be a problem. So let's take again log of x here in this part will be u, and the dv will be x cubed dx. Okay, so dv is equal to that, and the u will be definitely log of x, and here v becomes x to the power 4 over 4, of course, plus a constant, of course. Forget the dx here, that's wrong. And the u is equal to log of x, that means du. Take the derivative of both sides. Du is equal to 1 over x dx. Okay, so as I said, the dx here is not good, so it's v is equal to x to the power 4 over 4 plus some constant, but we don't care about that. So our I, if we have to look back, so our I is equal to, let's have a look at what we have on the back here. So let me pull up the information here. So x the power 4 over 4 times log x squared, and minus 1/2 of integral of x cubed log of x dx. So this is what we had, right? So we came to know that it is x to the power 4 over 4 times the quantity log of x squared. Now minus 1/2 of all this second part. Now we have another integration per part here, and we had already named it u and v, u and dv here. There you go. It is, now we have to tell uv will be x to the power 4 over 4 times log of x. Okay, so x to the power 4 over 4 times quantity log of x, now minus integral of v du, and we know that we have this information here. Du is 1 over x dx, and the v is x to the power 4 over 4. So x to the power of 4 over 4 times 1 over x dx. Let's close the parentheses here, the brackets. There you go. So we have this, and all we have to do is to finalize the second part. So x to the power of 4 over 4 times log of x all squared minus 1/2 of x squared, x to the power 4 over 4, that is x to the power 4 over 8 times log of x. Now minus times minus is plus. Now we have 1/2 here. If we pull the outside, we get the outside factor, times 1/4 actually again of integral of x cubed dx if we simplify. So that takes us to x to the power 4 over 4 times log of x squared minus x to the power 4 over 8 log of x plus 1 over 8 times 1/4 of x to the power of 4, plus a constant. Okay, so finally, if we put x to the power of 4 in factor, x to the power of 4 over 4 in factor in all these, so that will give us x to the power of 4 over 4 times log of x squared. There you go. Minus, it will be 1/2 of log of x plus 1/8 plus a constant now. So if we close the parenthesis here, then that will be our final solution on this one. It was an easy one. We didn't have to go long on this. So thank you for watching, and we'll see more complicated integration by part, where we regenerate the original integral part of it and get it back and add or subtract to get the final solution. So that was it for this one. Thank you.